While the entire world was fixated on the titanic struggle between Tesla and BYD, a silent revolution was brewing in the shadows. Imagine a world where your electric vehicle doesn't just get you there, but eliminates every single fear you've ever had about driving electric. No more searching for chargers in the rain. No more watching your battery percentage drop like a countdown timer. And no more waiting hours for a full charge. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's the reality promised by a name you might not have taken seriously until now, Chery. The automotive industry just felt a massive seismic shift. Chery has officially claimed a breakthrough that sounds almost impossible. A solid-state battery boasting an incredible 600 Wh/kg energy density. To put that into perspective, most high-end EVs today, the ones people wait months to buy, operate at a mere 250 to 300 Wh/kg. We are talking about doubling the energy capacity overnight. If this technology holds true, we aren't just looking at an improvement. We are witnessing the extinction of range anxiety forever. Imagine a car with double the range, significantly less weight, and a level of safety that lithium-ion batteries simply cannot match. But here is the million-dollar question. Is this the breakthrough that finally dethrones giants like Tesla, BYD, and Toyota? Or is it just another high-tech promise destined to vanish in the production graveyard? To understand where Chery is going, we have to look back at its humble, almost unbelievable beginnings. In 1997, in a small, obscure city in China called Whkg, a local government project was born. Chery didn't start with billion-dollar labs or global expertise. They started with a dream to build a domestic car industry from scratch. In those early days, they were the ultimate underdogs, rumored to have learned the craft by reverse engineering existing engines. But while other brands were content dominating the local Chinese market, Chery had a different hunger. They looked toward the horizon. By 2001, they were already exporting cars, building a massive footprint in the Middle East, South America, and Africa. They weren't just building cars. They were building a global bridge. Today, the numbers are staggering. Chery isn't that small project anymore. They are a global powerhouse moving nearly 2 million vehicles a year. Their growth in 2023 and 2024 has shattered records, proving they are no longer just a Chinese brand. They are a global player that everyone should fear. But their real weapon isn't just their sales volume. It's their decade-long obsession with battery technology. Since 2010, while the world was still debating if EVs were even viable, Chery was quietly pouring resources into R&D. They didn't rely on flashy press conferences or eccentric CEOs. They focused on hybrid systems, then pure EV platforms, and finally the holy grail of automotive tech, the solid-state battery. The current EV market is facing a reality check. Despite the hype, millions of drivers are still hesitant. Why? Because the problems are real. Range anxiety is a psychological weight, the fear of being stranded on a dark highway with a dead battery. Charging time is a lifestyle killer. Nobody wants to turn a 5-minute fuel stop into a 45-minute waiting game. Then there's the hidden fear of battery degradation. The idea that your expensive car will lose its value and power every single year, like an old smartphone. And we cannot ignore the safety concerns. The rare but terrifying news of EV fires caused by thermal runaway in liquid electrolytes has kept many families away from making the switch. This is the chaotic landscape Chery is stepping into with their new technology. They aren't just offering a new battery. They are offering a solution to every single one of those hesitations. Through brands like Whkg and Whkg, Chery has been testing the waters, refining their efficiency and cost control. The 600 Wh/kg claim isn't a sudden miracle. It's the result of 10 years of silent, disciplined research. In a market where Tesla wins with hype and BYD wins with scale, Chery is attempting to win with pure, undeniable technological superiority. To truly grasp why the world is shaking at Chery's announcement, we need to dive into the black box of EV technology. What exactly is a solid-state battery, and why does it change everything? To understand the future, you first have to understand the flaw in the present. Almost every electric vehicle on the road today relies on lithium-ion batteries. These batteries function using a liquid electrolyte, a chemical soup that allows electricity to flow between the positive and negative sides. Think of it like water flowing through a pipe. As long as the liquid moves, your car moves. But that liquid is the industry's greatest liability. It is highly flammable, sensitive to extreme temperatures, and requires heavy cooling systems to prevent it from turning into a furnace. When you hear about an EV fire, you are hearing about the failure of that liquid. Now enter the solid-state battery. As the name implies, Chery is replacing that volatile liquid with a solid material. Imagine replacing a fragile, leaking pipe with a solid, indestructible diamond-like pathway for electrons. It's like moving from a muddy, unpredictable dirt road to a high-speed, reinforced superhighway. The first and most vital advantage is absolute safety. Without a flammable liquid, the risk of thermal runaway, the chain reaction that leads to battery fires, is virtually eliminated. For the average family, this turns an EV from a tech experiment into the safest vehicle they have ever owned. But safety is just the beginning. The real magic lies in something called energy density. This is where the 600 Wh/kg figure becomes a weapon. In simple terms, energy density is how much power you can pack into every kilogram of weight. Think of it like a backpack. If your current battery is a bag that can only fit 5 books before it gets too heavy, Chery's solid-state tech is a bag that fits 10 books in the exact same space without adding a single gram. This means car manufacturers have two incredible choices. They can either build a car with a 1,000-kilometer range using the same battery size we use today, or they can build a much lighter, more agile car that still beats every Tesla on the market in distance. This jump from 300 to 600 Wh/kg is not a step forward. It is a leap across a canyon. Right now, EVs are notoriously heavy. That weight affects everything: how the car brakes, how it handles corners, and how much wear it puts on its tires. By doubling the energy density, Chery can strip hundreds of kilograms off the vehicle's weight. A lighter car is a more efficient car. It requires less energy to move, it stops faster, and it feels more alive under the driver's foot. This is the secret sauce that could finally make electric cars outperform high-performance gasoline engines in every single category. Then there is the issue of time, the ultimate luxury. We live in a world that doesn't like to wait. Current lithium-ion batteries have a physical limit to how fast they can charge because pushing energy too quickly generates heat, and heat kills liquid batteries. Solid-state materials, however, have much lower internal resistance. They stay cool even when you are pumping massive amounts of power into them. This opens the door to a future where filling up your EV takes 10 to 15 minutes, the exact time it takes to grab a coffee or stretch your legs at a rest stop. Suddenly, the biggest argument against EVs, the charging delay, simply vanishes into thin air. But perhaps the most underrated benefit of Chery's new technology is durability. We've all felt the frustration of a smartphone battery that dies after a year of use. This happens because liquid electrolytes cause the battery to degrade every time you charge it. Solid-state batteries are inherently more stable. They don't wear out in the same way. This means that a car you buy today could still be delivering 95% of its original range 10 years from now. It solves the problem of resale value and long-term reliability in one fell swoop. Chery isn't just building a battery. They are rebuilding the consumer's confidence. They are addressing the 4 horsemen of the EV apocalypse: range, safety, charging speed, and lifespan. By hitting that 600 Wh/kg mark, they aren't just competing with other car companies. They are challenging the laws of physics that have held the industry back for decades. The question is no longer, will EVs take over? The question is, who will survive the shift? Imagine the boardroom at Tesla or the strategy centers at BYD right now. If Chery's 600 Wh/kg solid-state battery transitions from a lab prototype to a production line, the entire hierarchy of the automotive world could be rewritten in a single year. We are no longer talking about who has the best software or who has the most chargers. We are talking about a fundamental shift in the power source itself. When the energy source changes, the leaders often change with it. Let's talk about Tesla. For years, Elon Musk has led the race with the 4680 battery cells and an unmatched supercharging network. Tesla's crown was built on being the longest range and fastest charging car on the block. But if Chery delivers a battery with double the density, Tesla's current advantage doesn't just shrink, it potentially disappears. For a company that prides itself on being at the bleeding edge of innovation, being leapfrogged by a quiet player from Woohoo is a nightmare scenario. Then look at BYD. Their Blade battery is a masterpiece of safety and cost efficiency. They've dominated the market by making EVs affordable and reliable. But solid-state technology changes the rules. If the market shifts from, how cheap can I get it, to, I want 1,500 kilometers of range and 5-minute charging, BYD will have to pivot faster than ever before. And then there is Toyota, the sleeping giant. Toyota has been the most vocal supporter of solid-state tech, but their timeline has always been cautious, aiming for 2027 or 2028. If Chery's Rhino S battery hits the road in 2026, even in limited fleets, Toyota's wait-and-see strategy could become their biggest regret. In this game, being first isn't just a trophy, it's a total market capture. But we have to perform a reality check. History is littered with miracle batteries that never left the laboratory. Why? Because mass production is the ultimate executioner. In a lab, you can create one perfect cell in a controlled environment. But can you create 100 million cells with the exact same quality? Can you do it without the price of the car doubling? The challenges are massive. Cost is the first wall. Solid-state materials are currently expensive to source and manufacture. If the car costs $150,000, it's not a revolution, it's a toy for the rich. The second wall is durability. A battery needs to survive the freezing winters of Russia and the scorching summers of Dubai. It needs to survive 10 years of potholes, vibration, and thousands of charging cycles. Chery claims their battery works at -30°C, which is a massive statement, but real-world testing in the hands of everyday drivers is the only true test. This is why Chery is being strategic, planning to launch first in ride-hailing and rental fleets to gather massive amounts of data before the 2027 mass-market rollout. Despite the hurdles, Chery's move feels different. They aren't just making a claim, they are building an entire ecosystem. With over 1,200 researchers and an investment exceeding 10 billion yuan, they are putting their entire future on the line. They are moving from a follower to a world-class innovator. Whether Chery becomes the new king of EVs or stays a powerful challenger, one thing is certain: the golden age of electric cars has finally arrived. The days of range anxiety, fire fears, and long charging waits are numbered. The race is no longer about who can build a car. It's about who can master the atom. Chery has made their move. The ball is now in the court of Tesla, BYD, and Toyota. The next 2 years will decide the fate of the global auto industry for the next century. Will you be driving a Chery with a 1,500 kilometers range by 2027? Only time will tell, but the silence from the competition speaks volumes. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and see who wins this high-stakes war, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. The future of mobility is happening right now, and you don't want to miss a single second of it.